Bingo Cash entry fees are the amount you pay to join certain paid games or tournaments inside the app, and the fee is shown before you enter so you can decide whether to play. By the end, you will know where to find the entry fee, what it means for your balance, and what to check before joining a paid Bingo Cash game. The first thing to understand is that not every game works the same way. Some games may be free to enter, while others may require an entry amount before you can participate. The entry fee is the cost of joining that specific game, not a separate charge added after you start playing. To check an entry fee, open the Bingo Cash app and look at the available games or tournaments. Before you join, review the game details displayed on the screen. The entry amount should be visible before you confirm participation. Section 1. Understanding what the fee does. When you pay an entry fee, that amount is used to enter the selected game or tournament. Your available balance needs to support the entry amount before you can join. If you do not want to use paid entries, choose games that do not require an entry payment. Section 2. Avoiding common mistakes. A common mistake is entering a tournament without checking the entry amount first. Always review the details before tapping the join button. This helps you avoid using your balance on a game you did not intend to enter. Another thing to check is the difference between an entry fee and any other account activity. Your app history or transaction details can help you understand where your balance changes came from. Section 3. Choosing the right games. The best entry option depends on your own comfort level and how you want to use the app. Start by checking the available game details, understand the entry requirement, and only join when you know the cost. If you see an issue with an entry fee, such as a balance change you do not recognize, check your account records and contact Bingo Cash support through the available support options in the app. To summarize, Bingo Cash entry fees are the amounts required to join certain paid games. You can check them before entering, and reviewing the details first helps you manage your balance. Your next step is simple. Open Bingo Cash, check the game details before joining, and confirm the entry amount every time. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more app guides and fixes.